Welcome. In front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options, select power off. Your device will turn off after a moment, and once it does so, you can then hold power button and volume up again at the same time. I'm going to do that right now. This will take us to bootloader, and here we have a couple options which are barely visible. I'm going to bring in the phone closer to the camera so we can see it. And you can see that the first option is recovery mode, then second option is fast boot mode, and then we have normal boot. We want to select the first one, which is recovery mode, and you can do so using the volume up button. So let me just grab the phone like this, and you can see that the arrow just jumps through. So once the first option, recovery mode, is selected, press volume down. After a moment, this will disappear, and we most likely will have an Android image with no command. Oh no, never mind. So it automatically jumps into the recovery mode. Now in here you can use both volume buttons to navigate, either up or down depending on which one you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have things like reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. We have reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the previous page. Enter fast boot mode, which might also take us to the first page that we've seen after turning off the device. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, on system, view logs, run test, and power off the device. So anyway, I'm going to select the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will just bring me back to Android now. And you can see we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.